Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dribble, how to create your website for your specialty tea and coffee business. So first of all let's type Dribble on the search. So the Rebel website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first let's sign in. Now create your new business. Now enter your business name, for example, any business name you want. Just enter your business name here. Now select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first let's go to the first section of the website, the header of the website. You can change it, you can edit it from here. If you want to change the site name here, if you want to turn this on and upload a file, if you want to add a label or change the label, if you want to add a link, and here if you want to change or manage your social link settings, here if you want to add a channel, just select the type of the social link. That's it. Here you can add the link. So now let's save this. And if you want to add any section on the website, just click here and select any section you want. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. The next section is the banner of the website. You can change it from here. Just click regenerate. Also, the subtext, if you don't like it, you can just click here and it will be changed. If you want to turn this on and upload and change the label, and add the external link. So I'm gonna turn this off. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the gallery of the website. You can change this if you want to generate image from here. Also, if you want to upload image from browser, for example, let's pick some image. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Just put it here and it will be uploaded. So if you want to pick some image from library or from here, for example, let's pick some another image from here. So let's choose this. Let's save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the text of the website. If you don't like it, you can regenerate it from here. Also, if you want to edit the type of the writing, so let's close this and let's move on to the next section. This is the list of the website. You can edit it from here if you want to change this. Also here, if you want to manage your display settings, you can choose what will be displayed for each list item. Here, if you want to manage list items, and here, if you want to add list item, you can generate image, can generate the title, and here if you want to generate the content. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonial section. You can edit it from here. You can add testimonials and you can generate the code. Here if you want to generate this, and here you can upload a file. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location section of the website. You can change this. You can also change your business address. If you want to add additional text files, you can add the title or the content. So let's close this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the contact form section of the website. You can edit it from here. If you want to regenerate the type, the text, or if you want to edit the type of the writing, if you want to manage files, and if you want to turn this on and custom input labels here, if you want to generate the form success message. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the last section of the website, the footer. If you want to change your business name from here, if you want to turn this on and upload the file, also here if you want to add additional details, you can here turn this on and add a new label and add the link. If you want to manage your social link settings, here you can add a channel. Just select the type of the social link and here you can add the link. So let's close this. Also, if you want to regenerate the content of the section, if you don't like it, if you want to regenerate the style of the section, if you want to regenerate the entire section, if you don't like it, just select entire section and it will be changed. If you want to duplicate the section, you can duplicate it from here. If you want to delete it, just click on this icon of delete. It will be removed. If you want to move it down or move it up like this. So let's save this and wait a few seconds to publish your website. Now you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's how to publish your website easy and quick. Here if you want to find the device settings of the website, if you want to ask anything here, also if you want to find the website style settings, you can find it here and manage this settings. If you want to find the support settings here, so that's it. If you want to find view website settings, so that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you and thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.